Okay, here's 3 radian questions. First is convert to degrees. So if I have 2 pi over 2 radians, and they want me to convert that to degrees. So what I want goes on top. So that's 360 degrees on top and 2 pi rads on the bottom. So radians cancel. And, the 2 pi's cancel. So 360 divided by 2, that'll be 180 degrees. Okay, sort of a funny question. Okay, next question. Ferris wheel has a diameter 22, so radius 11. What will be the distance traveled if it goes around once? So it has to go around all the way once, so 360 degrees, or it goes 2 pi. So my formula is theta equals S over R, and they want to know the distance. So S is equal to R times theta. R is 11 meters, and theta, that to go all the way around, is 2 pi. There we go. So 11 times 2 would be 22 pi, and then just on your calculator, go 22 times whatever pi is, 3.1415,926, etc. So 22 times 366, it's got to be 60 something, maybe 70. Okay, that's that one. Then the next question is a bicycle tire radius of 35, good. If I travel 3 kilometers, how many times will your wheel go around? So they want to know revolutions. Well, I can find radians for them, and then I'll have to convert that to revolutions. So it's the same formula as the one before. We're not talking about speed here, it's just distance. So theta is equal to S over R. And theta will give me my radians. So the distance is 3 kilometers. So that's, let's convert that to meters already. Well, I'll just write it out. 3 kilometers over the radius is 35 centimeters. So I need to convert both of those to the same unit. So let's convert to the kilometers to centimeters. So 1 kilometer is the same as 100,000 centimeters. Okay, so centimeters cancel. So do kilometers, but my answer to this question will be radians. But then, if they want me to convert that to revolutions, then 1 revolution is the same as 2 pi radians. So the radians will cancel, and my answer will just be revolutions. So if you just do that on decimals, 3 over 35, 100,000, 1 over 2 pi, that'll give you how many revolutions the tire goes around. Okay, hope that helps you with those 3 questions.